the creature that you made in Illustrator, and then in order to have this ready to rig in Character Animator, we're going to have to, we built everything just on one layer. And so one thing you definitely are going to want to do is you're going to want to take and select like everything. So I'm just dragging with my selection tool. And then you want to resize this guy just so it'll save issues later. If you resize him to make him like fill this space, make sure you hold down shift when you do that so that everything is proportional. Then we have a nice large image to work with. Okay, so make sure your image is kind of like this. Okay, then we need to go through and change our layers into things that Animator is going to be able to read and recognize. So right now we have just layer 1, everything's in layer 1, and if we hit this little, oh, and I'm in my layers panel, which is right here. So if you can't see your layers panel, if you go to window and then you can click on layers, that is what we need to see. Okay, so next to layers, I have this little arrow. If I arrow that down, this will take a minute to load, then I can see all of my shapes that I drew. All of those things went in as an additional layer, right? Okay, so we need to rename some of these, and we need to block this into, we're going to call the top one a puppet, and then we need to break this into head and body. However, my head is connected to my body, and so maybe I should not have added those two features together. So I am going to call, since I want the head to move along with the body, I am going to try this a different way. I'm going to select this shape. Let's just see if this works. If I select that shape, and then if I use my shape builder tool, and can I go back and undo that? I don't think I can. Okay, so new plan. I am going to include the whole entire thing and call it head, so that all of those things move all together. Does that kind of make sense? Okay, so layer 1 is actually going to be renamed to puppet. So I'm typing in plus puppet, because Animator will recognize that. Okay, and then here's my form right down here that is the head plus the body. So I am going to rename this as head, and then I'm going to reorganize this a little bit. So if I take this, this layer is down at the bottom right now, I am going to add some things to that. So my features that go onto this, and you can click the eyes on and off. So these two are both like part of the face, and I don't necessarily have to rename all of these. I just need to know what they go to. So here's a tooth, here's another tooth. So all of those things need to move with the head, right? So I'm going to take, I'm holding down shift, and I'm going to select all of those plus this guy that's on top, and I'm going to move those 5. So if I click and then, whoops, I should be able to move them. There we go, there's my little hand thing. I'm popping that right into this one. Well, I'm attempting to pop those into that one. Why will it not let me move that? Do I have to move them? Let me move this over here. And let me make this bigger. There we go. Okay, so I should be able to move this guy just to the top. Maybe that would be easier. There we go. Okay, because then I should be able to drag and drop and put these guys into that folder. Okay, maybe I need to do this. So let's create a new layer, and I'm going to move my head. This is going to mess up my image, don't worry. I'm going to move my head into that layer. Okay, because then if I move this one, this needs to come underneath my puppet. There we go. So this is actually, I'm going to rename this, call this one head. Okay, because then since that's its own layer, now I can drop them in there. Okay, problem solved. So I had to create a new layer and then copy, like just drag that into that. Okay, so these are all things that belong in the head, and I will go back and reorder this because you can see these things popping up as I do this. Okay, so along with the head, what is this? I'm not sure what that is. I need my little need the eye. And you can rename those as eye. This is the mouth. You'll see that come in. Whoops, didn't drag him in there. Come on, move. And then I think, okay, let me shut this off for a second. What do I have left? So I need to move this one into my head. I bet this is, I'm not sure what that is. I'm looking for my little, oh, here they are. This needs to be with the head as well. Those are my little like antenna-y thingies or horns. So that needs to go into the head. There we go. Okay, I'll turn all these little guys back on, and I'll turn this back on so we can see it. Okay, so now this is on top of where my arms are at, but I can easily go back and rearrange that. And I also have, these things out of order. So this needs to be, these guys need to go underneath. There we go. Okay, so it's just a big organization thing. I put my little horns back underneath there. I am missing the teeth because my mouth is above my teeth. So I need to move that like here. Okay, there we go. Everything's looking good with that part. Okay, because then I also need, I'm gonna make a layer called body. So I just hit add layer, and then I'm gonna call this body. Okay, and in the body layer, which I am going to move underneath the head layer. Whoops, not into the head layer. And in the body layer, this is where I'm going to put my right arm, left arm, and these you might want to rename actually as right arm, left arm. It doesn't really matter if you use the term arm or if you call it tentacle. Oh, that's actually his left arm though, isn't it? Well, it's his right arm. I'm going to call it left because it's left on the screen. Right, as long as you understand what these mean. Right arm, and then I need my feet. So this must be right foot and left foot. Okay, then I need these guys to move as part of the body. So I'm dragging that left arm and I'm going to put it in the body. And now my body layer, I'm going to make the head layer smaller so I can not have to travel so far. This goes up there. My left foot needs to go up there. My right foot needs to go up here. Okay, and then double check and make sure you have the order of things. Oh, I am missing some details here on the body. That must be what these things are. Let me shut that one off. Okay. I'm trying to figure out, oh, there was something. I'm trying to figure out what these layers are. Okay, so once you get this organized, you should have, I'm going to move this body just underneath the head. There we go. That's the way it needs to go. Okay, so underneath, oh, I put the left foot in the head. Whoops, that needs to go in the body. So then you should have it organized kind of like this. So you have all of the body parts in one layer, all of the things that you want to move with the head in another layer. And then we may need to adjust these just a little bit more, but this should get us started with a direction of how Animator then is going to read these as we bring them into Animator so we can move them.